Hey Real World PDR, this is Jim. Today we're going to take a look at that Dead Dent Tools handle. We're going to take a look at the history of some of our handles and where this Dead Dent Tools handle has taken us. But before that, if you like this PDR content, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, ring that bell to get notifications. Hey, what's going on Real World PDR? This is Jim, and today we're going to do a 2-minute tool review. We are going to look at the Dead Dent Tools Endgame ratcheting handle, available at Anson. Let's check it out. So this little bad boy is a new handle that comes from Dead Dent Tools. It is an indexing handle that is going to fit on all of your hub tools. The place where I see you finding the most use in this is probably going to be in your brace style tools and your door tools. Any of your tools from A-1 to Tequila tools from Anson will fit. So whenever I first started PDR, we were building our own tools. We were using torsion bars out of trunks, whatever metal that we can get our hands on. So all of our handles were fixed, which is okay. It did the trick. But not too long after that, you started getting things like this ratcheting handle. I believe this tool is from A1. And it's a huge step up from a fixed handle, but it wasn't a perfect solution. Plenty of people complained about this handle, including myself. Hey, at the time it was a huge step up, but you know, really it was short, thin, and that bump kind of made it uncomfortable to use. I appreciate it for what it was, but it was time that we got better. So a quick demonstration of the handles that we had before. Now you can see now they do index for you. It's one handle, one tool, but the complaint really came in about how it fit in your hand and how it felt. Now other companies did come out with handles like this one from PDR Finesse that increased that ergonomics. I mean, this is a much more comfy one to work with, but you still got one handle for one tool on your cart. And I tell you what, that hub system saves so much room on your tool cart. Eventually, we ended up with the tactical handle. Now this was a huge step up from everything else that was available on the market. You could still ratchet it, you had to take it off, but you could adjust your position. It was large, it was comfortable, gave you extra leverage, and we loved it. So what Dead Dent Tools did is they took the tactical handle design and then improved on the one thing that you could find to complain about, and that is you had to take the handle off to adjust your position. So with this Gorilla Grip tactical handle, you have the one button that snaps it on your tool, but if you wanted to change the direction your handle was facing or whatever, you had to take it off and replace it. Now, with the Dead Dent Tools Endgame handle, look, that one button remains, snap it on your tool. Now the other bigger button, hey, look at me go. I can index wherever the heck I want that handle to face. Which is super nice in the middle of a repair because maybe you just want different kind of leverage or your freaking forearm is burning because you've been pushing on the same dent for an hour. Whew, I feel like I just needed to let that one out. Okay, let's get back to the video. The indexing handle from Dead Dent Tools and Anson here is not the first ratcheting handle that we've had, but I will tell you that right now it is absolutely my favorite. The reason being is this, it's simple. Look, there's no extra adapter pieces that I need to do. The fit and finish is almost flawless and it works exactly the way that it's supposed to. It's a very comfortable handle and I definitely recommend it for any PDR tech out there. The Dead Dent Tools indexing handle is available to Anson, and of course, I'm going to leave a link in the description. And now's probably a great time to mention that when you sign up for realworldpdr.com, Anson is going to give you $100 worth of in-store credit. So you can apply that store credit to whatever PDR tools you want, maybe Dead Dent Tools indexing handle, and you'll have access to the industry's top, most recommended PDR training at realworldpdr.com. You can't lose, dude, so sign up at www.realworldpdr.com today.